people talk in Bangladesh not good, Bangladesh not good.
Who say Bangladesh not good?
This is Nepali.
Nepali. You know drama, but Bangladesh good.
Nepali not Muslim. Okay? Muslim no other Nepali.
No, not Muslim. You know, some people just make drama, but all Bangladesh good, all Pakistani good, all India good, all by all brother.
All brother good.
All same.
Another one, Oli, another one. Ati dema konado, minataka dema konado, minadai dema konado.
Yeah, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time coming to this channel, consider subscribing, giving the video a like. So guys, a very nice time, humble time that come to you guys. So guys, it's a long time since I came out with the video talking to you my guys. It's a very long time, but I like to appreciate. So guys, if you feel appreciated, you can buy a sticker, super chat, you can support me, you can join a membership. That is one thing nice you can do to support me guys. Yeah, so that I can continue giving you live and nice content each and every day as I walk through these streets. You know, these streets require a lot of money when you are walking on these streets creating content. That is one of the challenges we are on these streets, and it's a positive thing guys. I usually like and appreciate what you do to me, because if not you guys, I will not be doing this I'm doing today. And I thank you very much. Give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Don't forget to share, like, and leave a nice comment there. It's a bright day. So guys, I'm seated on this street here. Now it's somehow, the weather is now good, the weather is now cool. You can walk now. And I've been trying to create content guys, but I've just been down. I don't know what has been happening to me. I've just been feeling something. I try to do what, but I'm not having the psych guys. I don't know what has been happening to me nowadays guys. I've lost the morale. I don't know what is happening guys in my life. I look like someone who is sickly, but I'm not sickly. I look like someone who is bored, someone whose morale is low. I just don't know what is happening to my life nowadays guys. I'm trying to evaluate myself, asking myself these many questions. Why? What is happening? I'm not finding the real answers. But guys, in life you have to push on, you have to struggle on, you have to be committed, and you have to do something to please yourself. Don't do things to please people. The reason why you see this much noise is because I'm on this road. You can see this truck is passing here. That's why you can see there's so much noisy. Hello, bye. Zain, say hi to my people.
Huh?
Say hi. This is for YouTube.
Mine?
This one for YouTube.
What to?
YouTube.
YouTube? Assalamu alaikum. You YouTube channel?
Yeah, YouTube channel. This one I'm making video here on the road. You work there?
No,
You working Shugul where?
Nah, this work in aluminum PVC.
Oh, aluminium PVC.
Aywa.
Today no working?
Today work in tomorrow. This not money coming. The tomorrow coming.
Bukra coming.
Bukra.
So today off.
Fulus mayate maafi jugal. Fulus aate ala kuch. Wallah alhe kata zyada mushkil.
Kata zyada mushkil. Nowadays mudir no giving money.
What is the problem? What is the problem? This is one other video. My people talk in Bangladesh not good, Bangladesh not good.
Who say Bangladesh not good?
This is Nepali.
You know drama, but Bangladesh good.
Nepali not Muslim. Okay? Muslim no other Nepali.
No, not Muslim. You know, some people just make drama, but all Bangladesh good, all Pakistani good, all India good, all by all brother.
All brother good.
All same, happy, everything. If no fulus, Bangladesh no fulus.
Koi Zakir bhai koto ko lagbo?
Okay. See you bye. Me go walking.
Are koi ami main road ta rahe na.
So guys, I was just talking with this guy. He's just coming up with some issues that were not understandable, but just drama. You were saying that some people are saying Bangladesh not good, but everybody, maybe shall say in this world, everybody is important. Everybody is good in this world. So I was trying to tell him like that. Because we don't say that now the taxi for him has come now. The taxi is there. He's going with the taxi. You can see he's now going with the taxi there. He's now going outside to look for work. Let him go now. Yeah, but I shall say everybody is important in this world. Don't say and don't let things like religion, color, something make you have enemies with your friend. No. These things are, by the way, they don't matter. They are not something important. You must live with happiness, live with love. If you love your friend, if you love your neighbor, everything, preaching love. That's something I've come to learn when you're talking with this guy. Love is something important so much, guys. Yeah, and everybody is important. That's why I was telling him, Bye means brother. So brotherhood is something important, because you cannot say, I come from this country, or I will not say seek help from this other country. No. You can find someone from another planet, not another continent, is the one who helps you, but the person from your continent or from your neighbor does not help you. So this oneness and happiness is something that is very nice. And this guy was trying to bring that issue, but I stopped him. If you can listen from the video, I stopped him. Yeah. So that was just, I was not even planned like that. It was just an unplanned incident that came by the way. But guys, when you're making videos by the roadside, it's a lot of distraction that happens there. So you must be ready for anything, because this is where people are passing, and where people are passing, there's a lot of things that happening that time. So guys, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and be blessed so much. See you next time. Love you.